Hey guys, Dana here with ASLLOVE, and today I'm going to show you how to sign the word sick and a few related signs. To sign the word sick, you're going to use both hands, modified 5-hand shape by bending your middle fingers down. You're going to place one hand on your forehead, the other hand kind of in your upper stomach area. Sick. So you start with your hands out just a little bit, and then bring them in. Sick. You're going to want your facial expression to match the meaning. If you wanted to sign the word virus, you would take the sign for sick and then add the sign for spread, which starts as 2 flattened O hand shapes. So you have an O, flatten them, and then move them out and forward, changing them into 5 hand shapes. Sick, virus. To sign cough, take your hand into a letter S hand shape and just tap your chest. You're mimicking coughing. To sign the word sneeze, I've seen a few variations. Most of the time, you're taking your index finger, start at the bottom of your nose, bring it down and back up. I have seen a version where you just move your head. I think that's kind of cute, but I'd probably move my finger under my nose. And now you know how to sign the word sick and a few other words related to that sign. And I hope that helps.